Feeling sore after a brutal workout? Turns out, voluntarily plunging into freezing water might be the key to unlocking faster recovery. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind ice baths, explaining how they work, and why they're becoming a staple for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Understanding this can dramatically improve your training and performance. First, let's talk about inflammation. Intense exercise causes microscopic muscle damage, triggering an inflammatory response: swelling, pain, and stiffness. Ice baths or cold water immersion constrict blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the damaged tissues. This minimizes swelling and helps flush out metabolic waste products like lactic acid, accelerating the healing process. Think of it like hitting the pause button on the initial inflammatory surge. Beyond reducing inflammation, ice baths also stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. This counteracts the sympathetic nervous system, which is activated during exercise. Activating the parasympathetic system lowers heart rate, reduces cortisol, and promotes relaxation, leading to improved sleep quality, crucial for muscle repair and overall recovery. Here's a surprising fact: while ice baths reduce inflammation immediately, research suggests they can actually increase anti-inflammatory cytokine production in the long run. Cytokines are signaling molecules that regulate the immune system. This means regular CWI might actually train your body to be more resilient to inflammation over time. But, and this is important, we'll explore the optimal duration and temperature in just a moment. Stay tuned. Now, let's briefly touch on the impact on muscle protein synthesis. While initially thought to hinder it, recent studies show that when combined with proper nutrition and training, ice baths don't significantly impair muscle growth, and can even enhance recovery, allowing for more frequent and intense training sessions. We'll break down the ideal post-workout protocol next. So, to recap, ice baths reduce initial inflammation, activate your body's relaxation response, and potentially enhance long-term resilience to inflammation, all while supporting your training schedule. It's a powerful tool for optimizing recovery and maximizing your fitness gains. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you've tried ice baths. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips.